Okay, in order to make your star, you're going to need to start out with a pretty decent amount of string. I would say from your wrist to your elbow, like that. I don't know if you can see, there it is. First you string on 10 black beads, so yeah. Here I have my 10 black beads all in a row, and you're going to take the smaller end that you probably beaded your beads on and tie it to the longer end, like this. The string will listen to me. And tie it twice and tightly. Make sure it's tight, just to be sure. And it should look something like this. Cut off the little tail end, you don't need that. And you have this. I like to rearrange them so they make like a little pentagon shape. Makes it easier to make a star in my opinion. You don't have to do this step, it's just a little tip. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to take your string and you're going to string it through the bead it's next to. Doesn't matter which side, I just went with the left side. And yeah. And then you're going to take whatever bead you want and string 3 beads onto the string. 1, like that. You're going to take the end of the string and you're going to bead it through the next bead. You're going to skip this bead and string it through this one. And it should come to a point. And if it doesn't, just pull tightly and rearrange your beads till it does. You're going to do this all the way around until you get to the very end right there. So you're going to add 3 beads here, skip this bead, thread through this one. And then you're going to skip this bead, thread through this one, skip this one, thread through this one, etc., etc. So here we go. Once you have the final 3 beads threaded, you just thread it through the next black bead and it should make a star. Ta-da! And then you just tie it off like this, like you would any other normal thing you were making. 2 knots are better than 1, 3 is what I usually go with, but I'm gonna do 2 to save time. Okay, I'm gonna do 3. And you're gonna do this with all your other beads until you're out. You're gonna make a bunch of stars. You're gonna end up making 12, but to save time I'm just showing you how to make 6. So there's your bead star. Cut off that end. And now you're ready for me to show you how to tie them together and make your little headphone thing.